VanDerBosch Plumbing Incorporated provides licensed professional plumbing services for residential and light commercial customers in Chicagoland communities. Our team is committed to delivering the highest level of service. Don't take our word for it. Hear what our clients say. Julia Irons says, "I had a great experience with VanDerBosch Plumbing. Everyone I spoke to on the phone to schedule the visit was friendly and professional, and Jose arrived on time, very patiently answered all of the questions I asked, and fixed my drain quickly. Highly recommend it." Ethan Walls says, "Very professional and courteous. I called in the morning, they came out a few hours later, and everything was fixed within an hour. We'll definitely use them again. We care about you and about solving your plumbing problems. Call us today to book an appointment."